a two-day exhibition happening at Aira Gallery. We have just two brands, Poochate and Beta Girl, with beautiful options for your Navratri season as well as something you want for wedding wear. They have options with that. Jewelries bhi काफी सुंदर available है for your Navratri and festive season again. And we have the brand owner of Poochate. Ma'am, what do we have special in the collection?
We have hand embroidered chanya cholis, and also we have heavy chanya cholis that you can wear it at your Navratri. So please visit us.
So check caption for all the details और collection देखने के लिए swipe left. So continuing with the same brand Poochate, they have something like this halter neck blouses. Yes, very pretty. Check out the border as well, something in olive if you like. Very pretty. So they have color options available. Now check this out. Very pretty. इसका ही color मैंने भी wear किया है. Check this out in orange if you like. Very pretty. So चनिया चोलीज में आपको काफी सारे options मिल जाएंगे.
We have more in hand embroidered dupatta. You can show the details.
Yes, with hand embroidered dupatta. Beautiful. Check this out. Very pretty. So these are the options that you can style during Navratri season, but also if you have any weddings coming up, any side functions, then you can definitely style these up as well. Very pretty.
So these are chokers, kundan studded chokers, which are perfect for your 9-day Navratri look, starting range from 1000 till 5000 rupees. Then we have trending Kashmiri earrings, which are taking all over internet right now. Some Kashmiri earrings in silver look alike as well here. Like wicked designing in the choker. Then we got the smaller earrings for the one who doesn't like the heavy ones, the smaller danglers, smaller earrings as well. Pick out the most heavy and the trendy kundan collection out here as well. Some Kashmiri earrings here as well, and again the kundan and silver plated chokers here.
So this is brand.
Beta Girl.
Check this out. Some more options available. इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Kutchi work.
Kutchi work, right? So this is the Kutchi work on the blouse. Very pretty.
We have one more color in this.
More color options are available in this. Beautiful. And then check this out. Very pretty. Something in brown if you like. Very pretty. So they have amazing options in chaniya choli, but हर एक का pattern style is different. Check it. So if you want to style something unique for all the 9 days, then you can definitely visit this brand.
We have this many colors in that pattern.
Lot of options are available in colors and in patterns. Check this out. So all different kinds of chaniya cholis. This is brand Poochate. Again, something in brown and with golden detailing on it. Check this out.
You can check. Wait, I can show you the dupatta how.
Yes. So completely hand embroidered dupatta. Check this out. Very pretty. Yes. Purple and peach pastel shades if you like. These are all the options available.
So we have this patchwork chanya cholis.
Patchwork chaniya cholis as well with these kind of dupatta and blouses.
Also this type of chanya
Something in white if you like.
has streak.
Beautiful. And then something like this. So pastel shades चाहिए या तो कुछ dark shades चाहिए. They have all kinds of options available. And the blouses that they have has got amazing detailing on it. So do visit. This is brand Poochate. Check this out. Some more options in chaniya cholis. Yes. The color combination is very pretty. Let me show you the detailing on the blouse. Amazing. Something like this. Beautiful. And the dupatta is also very pretty.
Hello, my brand name is Poochate and we're exhibiting at Aira Gallery today and tomorrow. So I'm showing you my collection. is dual color chanya choli with beautiful details of bota. We have many colors in it. There's this.
Very pretty.
Also we have chanya cholis with an embroidered dupatta.
Hand embroidered dupatta. Very pretty.
Then we have
Check this out, the detailing on the blouse. So they have got amazing options in chanya cholis in all different kinds and patterns. Keep swiping left to check out the collection.
So the brand is Beta Girl and we have come up with some amazing Kundan heritage collection. You can look out at Kadas out here. Then we have some amazing long lightweight earrings. These are all lightweight, bigger ones but are lightweight earrings. Then we have some amazing normal ear cuffs as well as Kundan ear cuffs out there. Some Kundan piles also if you want to see here. Some normal Kundan piles here. Then we have got hairbands in silver lookalike. So that goes in your Navratri as well as your festive looks.
So they've got Hasleys as well.
We have got Hasleys, we have got smaller rings, smallest rings and the biggest rings. All type of rings you'll be able to find it here. We have got some silver lookalike hairbands as well. Then we have got a lot of collection of chokers and necklace. These are Kundan necklace as well as normal silver lookalike